Welcome again people back to your channel. I can't believe say in this time we have this pandemic here. It come like say people are dead every day. So the topic for this one is Good Friday double murder in St. James. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe so we can keep on up to date. Anyway, we're jumping at right now. 2 men were shot and other man injured as gunshot barked in the Norwood community of St. James on Good Friday. The dead man has been identified as 33-year-old Dane Walters, otherwise called Des, a mechanic of Hendon Norwood in the parish, and 48-year-old Roderick Atkinson, a construction worker of Hollywood Norwood. The injured man has been admitted in the hospital. Reports are that about 1:25 p.m. the construction worker and Atkins were among a group of persons at a business establishment in Norwood when they were approached by 2 men and opened gunfire at them. Police were summoned. Upon their arrival, they found Walters and Atkinson pronounced dead. Personnel from the Montego Bay Hill police station are investigating the incidents. The double murder brings to 26 the number of murders that have been recorded by the St. James police since the start of the year. White people, sad news for no say, a Good Friday, and that really go on. But anyway still, next time, peace.